Hi, welcome to Airdropspot. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to complete tasks on Perle Labs. Okay, so here is the dashboard. We are going to start with the introductory task. Welcome to Perle Labs. So for every task that you open to complete, you must watch a video, and in the video they give you instructions on what to do in order to be able to complete the task. Then once you watch the video, you can close and then complete the tasks one after the other. Although I have done this before, I did this yesterday before making this tutorial. So I'll just scroll to the bottom and pick another task. I'll watch the video and then close it once I'm done. Join the Perle Labs product tagging quest. So each quest have 10 tasks. I tried opening this ones on mobile, but because it is a kind of quest where you need to highlight the answers, I don't think it works on mobile. So I had to use my PC. So what you are required to do in each quest is to find the product that the customer bought. In task number 1, the product is winter jacket. So I highlighted winter jacket and I submitted the answer. Now, after submitting the answer, you need to also confirm on chain. Although the gas fee is literally cheap, like I don't have more than $2 or so on this Solana wallet that I am using, and I have not exhausted it yet. The transaction is completed, the task is correct. You'll be able to tell whether your answer is correct or not. So we move to task 2. And in this task 2, what is the product that was purchased? Wireless headphones. I'm going to click submit, and then we are going to confirm the transaction on chain as well. So in order to save our time, from now on, I don't need to record the part where I am confirming the transaction on chain. I'll just highlight the answer and then come back once I have confirmed on chain. We can see whether the answer is correct or not. Task 3 is smartwatch charger. The answer is correct. We move to the next one. Task 4 is tablet case. I'll highlight that and then submit. I'll pause and come back once the transaction has been confirmed on chain. I'll move to the next one. It is correct. What do the customer bought? If the customer bought blender, so I'll highlight blender and then submit. The answer is correct. I'll move to the next one. Here the customer purchased wireless mouse. I'll submit the answer. Correct answer. We move to task 7. In task 7, what did the customer bought? The customer bought running shoes. So I'll highlight that and then submit. Correct answer. We move to task 8. The customer purchased kitchen knives. Read through each paragraph and then just find out what the customer purchased. They purchased kitchen knives. I'll submit that. Correct answer. I move to task 9. Here the customer purchased smartwatch band. I'll submit that. Correct answer. We move to task 10. Wireless earbuds. That is what the customer purchased. I'll submit that as well. Correct answer. So we have done everything under identify the product the customer purchased. We've done all tasks. We'll go back to the dashboard so that we can pick another task. So we'll be picking the legal task next. Join the Perle Labs legal classification quest. Watch the video and so that you can have access to the task. So we'll join the first task of this quest. The company shall not be liable for service interruptions caused by events beyond its reasonable control, including acts of God or governmental actions. So under what clause is that? I'll go for liability and then submit. The answer is correct. I'll move to task 2. All changes are exclusive of taxes and the client is responsible for any applicable sales, VAT or similar taxes. Under what classification is that? Payment times. I'll submit that and move to the next one. The answer is correct. I'll move to the next task. Task 3, termination. I'll submit. Answer is correct. Let's go to task 4. Payment terms. Task 4. The answer is correct. We move to task 5. Payment terms again. We'll submit. The answer is correct. We move to task 6. Termination. I'll submit. The answer is correct. We move to task 7. Privacy. I'll submit the answer. Correct answer. We move to task 8. Payment terms. The answer is correct. We move to task 9. Termination. Correct answer. We move to task 10. Payment terms. Correct answer. So we've done all tasks under the legal quest as well. We've done everything. So I'll go back to the home page so that I can pick the next available task. So the next available task is the audio task, audio quest. You watch a video to unlock the quest. Okay, so what are you expected to do while completing the task under this quest? You are to read aloud the script that has been given to you on the screen. So to start reading aloud, you're going to click on Start Recording. And then I have to allow the site to have access to my microphone. Then start recording. Once you are done recording, if you don't like it, you click on Retry to record it again. If you like it, simply click on the Submit Recording button. Then click on Submit. And then submit the transaction on chain and then confirm in your wallet. So this particular task will not be verified instantly because this is audio task. You are going to have to submit it for quality assurance, and once it is manually verified, then the points will be added to your dashboard. So I'll just pause my recorder and do the remaining 9 tasks. So I am done. Everything is now submitted, waiting for quality assurance verification. They will verify whether I uploaded the right audio, whether everything I uploaded is okay. So the last task is the medical task. Unfortunately, I did this one yesterday as well. So watch the video to have access to the task. I did it yesterday, so we can't do it again in this video. I missed one of the questions when I did it yesterday. So we'll go back. These are the available quests at the moment, at the point of recording this video. These are the available quests on Perle Labs. And I see that out of all the badges, I only have one, which means there are still going to be more activities on Perle Labs later. So all you need to do is to subscribe to my channel, because as long as there are other activities, there will be more updates on Perle Labs, so you won't miss out on updates like this. I hope this video have been helpful to you. If it has, please like the video, comment, and also share with friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another tutorial.